Hello everyone! In this activity, we're going to practice sight words by reading simple sentences. Let's begin. The dog is brown. I see the dog. I like the dog. You are doing great. The cat is fat. The cat is black. I like the cat. You are so smart. The ball is red. The ball is big. I play with the ball. Excellent work. The sun is hot. The sun is bright. I like the sun. Incredible! The car is blue. The car is fast. I ride in the car. That's wonderful. The bird can fly. The bird is green. I see the bird. You are doing great. The tree is tall. The tree is green. I like the tree. You are so smart. The book is red. The book is fun. I read the book. Excellent work. The cake is sweet. The cake is big. I eat the cake. Incredible! The shoe is brown. The shoe is new. I wear the shoe. You are so smart.